How to measure land area in Google Maps. The first thing you want to do is to head over to Google Maps at your computer. And then you want to find the place that you want to measure. Let's say we want to measure a lawn. I recommend you to change to satellite view, as it may be easier to use the tool. And then let's find the lawn we want to measure. We can measure this football field here. The first thing you want to do is to right click on your mouse. Just find a corner, and that's your starting point. And from here you want to click measure distance. And then you want to use your left mouse button and go to the next corner. And then you want to go to the next corner again. And then you want to finish it off by going to the first dot. And as you can see here, at the white box here, you have the measured area. You have a total area of 6,853 square meters. So this is how you measure land area in Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.